Hello students, Namaste everyone. Many students have been asking me that what are the subjects in BAMS first year and in which language we are going to study these subjects. Are all the subjects in Sanskrit language? We don't know Sanskrit, how to study BMS. All those questions you also might have. So today we will see uh, what are the subjects. We'll seek answers to all those questions. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel to get all the updates about the counseling or anything about the career guidance. If you have any doubt, post it in the comment section, like the video and share it to your friends. So let's get started with today's video. So the first subject you have in BAMS is anatomy. In anatomy, you have two parts. The first part is the modern part. The modern part is same as those students who are studying MBBS or BHMS or dental. All the medical students are going to study the same modern part. Or the books, the lectures, everything will be same for the medical students in the modern part. For BMS students, you'll have another part in anatomy, that will be Rachana Sharir. In Rachana Sharir, you will have the Sanskrit shlokas and their explanations and their meanings. So the modern part is same as those of MBBS or any medical students. So the next subject you have is physiology. Physiology is also same. You have modern part and the Ayurvedic part is known as Kriya Sharir. Ayurvedic part of anatomy is known as Rachana Sharir. Ayurvedic part of physiology is known as Kriya Sharir. You should study both the parts in BMS. So the paper will be half for both the parts in anatomy and physiology. So the third subject you have is Charak Samhita. Charak Samhita is a granth that you'll study in first year. You have to study so many granths in BMS. In the first year you have Charak Samhita. So the next one is Ashtanga Hridayam. It's also Ayurvedic granth. So Ashtanga Hridayam. The next one is Sanskrit. You have these 5 subjects in BMS first year. So now let's see. I think it's clear. If you have any doubt, you can post it in comment section. So now let's see the languages in which you can study these subjects. So the first is modern part. Modern part in both physiology and anatomy. You have to study the modern part in English itself. The books are also same as other medical students. So you'll study those modern part in English language itself. So Ayurvedic part will have Sanskrit shlokas. All the Ayurvedic part will have so many Sanskrit shlokas that you'll have to by heart and that you'll have to understand. So for understanding the Sanskrit shlokas, you'll have explanation that you can choose in which language you want the explanation. For example, if you want in English, you can choose the book which has English explanation, but the Sanskrit shlokas are must in all the Ayurvedic part. So Hindi or English you can choose for the explanation part. So all these parts, the Ashtanga Hridayam, Charak Samhita, Kriya Sharir and Rachana Sharir will have Hindi or English explanation, and Sanskrit will be the language of shlokas that you'll have to by heart, and absolutely you'll have to understand. Thoroughly you should understand all those shlokas. So the Sanskrit you will have as a subject, so that you must study in Sanskrit. So that will be 100 marks paper, and you'll have mostly the grammar part. So I think every student knows Hindi a little bit, so it won't be a problem to study Sanskrit. I can guarantee you. Many students think that it's not possible to study Sanskrit and all. No, it's not like that. You can study it, of course. So to tell in modern part, so Hindi or English you can choose for the explanation, but mostly the lectures will choose English explanations nowadays. So if you are comfortable to understand Hindi more, you can choose Hindi books, but the lectures will be in English, and the lecturers will expect you to answer the questions in English itself. So it's your choice. If you want deeper understanding, and if you can convert from Hindi to English, like you're studying Hindi, all the shlokas meaning, and if you can write it down in English language in the exam, then you can choose Hindi, or otherwise you can choose English. But as Sanskrit is similar to Hindi, it's more convenient to study in Hindi. Uh, it's your choice, however. You can choose anything that you want for Ayurvedic part explanation. So that's it for today about the languages and subjects. In the next section, in the next video, we'll see what are the books you can prefer, what are the books you should study for both modern part and Ayurvedic part, which authors you should choose. All those things we'll see, and more importantly, we'll see where to see for those books, where to buy those books, and which are more important. In anatomy, you'll have practical part also, so we'll see which are the books you need and where to buy those, because medical books are always expensive. So it's better to see, it will cost around at least minimum it will cost 6K for 1 year books. So we'll see how to minimize those costs, where to order those or where to get that in a less price. So thank you for, and we'll meet in next video.